Welcome back. In this part of the session, we understand how to import a CSV file. Go to data and top we can see the create table. Then we need to select the file from the drop files menu. Then we have the file called products in my D drive. File got imported successfully. Now we can go back to our notebook. Now we'll create a data frame. Data frame is equal to spark dot read dot option header is true CSV. The path of the file will run the cell. So cell is successfully will display the data set. So we can see we got the product ID, product category, manufacturing ID, and the price. But we can see here price has USD and the amount value together. So in some scenario, if we want to create two columns out of this price with column name as currency and the second column as amount, then we need to use split function because these two strings are separated by space. So we need to try it with string. So what we need to do, we need to create a data frame called products is equal to with data frame dot with column, specify the column name which we want to create, which is currency, because this is the first column we want to get. And then we need to write split. We'll define the column name price and the delimiter is space. Then we need to write get item from position 0. So before that we need to actually import our split from Pyspark .sql .functions import split function got executed successfully. Let's run the cell. The cell is also got successfully. Let's check the data frame. We got the another column with currency. Let's suppose in same scenario we want to have another column with amount, then we need to do dot with column name, because this time we need amount. Then we need to write split again. Then as we want to split the price on the basis of the same delimiter, which is space. We need to get item, which is at first position in the cell. In the cell executed successfully. Let's run the data frame, and we can see we have we got another column, which is amount and the currency. So this marks the end of this session.